Good morning. In the previous video, we learnt about teeth, parts of a teeth, a structure of a tooth, parts of a healthy tooth, etc. Parts of a healthy tooth are neck, crown, root. Structure of a healthy tooth contains mainly crown, root, neck, enamel, dentin, pulp, nerves and blood vessels, etc. We also learnt about tooth decay, care of teeth, tips to prevent the tooth decay, and microbes causes tooth decay. Microbes not only cause tooth decay, but they also cause many diseases. Let us learn more about microbes. Microbes, kinds of microbes, useful microbes, harmful microbes. Alexander Fleming. Microbes are divided into mainly four groups: bacteria, protozoa, fungi, viruses. Let us learn one by one in detail. Microbes. Microbes are the oldest form of life on the earth. They have been here 3.8 billion years. They produce more than half of the oxygen we breathe. A liter of coastal sea water may contain 1 billion microbes. A gram of soil can contain more than 1 billion of microbes. Microbes are the very tiny living organisms which can be seen only under the microscope. So they are called as the microorganisms or simply microbes. They are present everywhere. In the air we breathe, in the water we drink, in the food we eat, inside our bodies and on our hands, etc. Microbes grow rapidly in the presence of air, food, moisture and warmth. Microbes that cause diseases are called germs. Let us learn in detail about kinds of microbes. Microbes are mainly divided into four groups: bacteria, protozoa, fungi, viruses. Bacteria. Bacteria are very tiny living organisms which can be seen only under the microscope. Like other living organisms, bacteria can move, breathe, intake food, reproduce and excrete. There are thousands of kinds of bacteria. Bacteria are of three types: round-shaped bacteria, spiral-shaped bacteria, rod-shaped bacteria. Protozoa. Protozoa are found in water bodies. They are a little bit bigger than the bacteria in size, but they cannot be seen with our naked eyes. They can be seen only under the microscope. The best example for protozoa are amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. Fungi. Fungus are a little bit bigger in size. They are like plants, but they do not have chlorophyll. They are heterotrophic in nature. So they need food to absorb from whatever they are growing on. Fungus can grow on dead and decaying matter. The examples of fungus are molds, mushrooms and yeast. Bread mold is a type of fungus which grows on moisture bread. Viruses. Viruses are the smallest microorganisms which can be seen only under the electron microscope. Viruses are the borderline of living and non-living things. Viruses are the strangest of all microorganisms. Examples of viruses are common cold virus, influenza virus. Microbes are mainly classified into two groups. Useful microbes, harmful microbes. Useful microbes are used in bakery, preparation of curd, in digestion of food, rotting, in medicines. Some microbes are used in bakery. Some microbes are used in changing the milk into curd. Some microbes help in digestion of food. Some microbes help in rotting of dead plants and animals. It keeps the environment clean. Yeast is used to prepare buns and breads.
ఇక్కడ నుంచి చెప్పు, నేను కట్ చేసుకుంటా.
Yeast is used to prepare breads and buns. Lactobacillus bacteria change milk into curd. Medicines. Penicillin is an antibiotic made from a mold. Penicillin is discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1929. Antibiotic are the substances which kill the harmful microbes. Digestion. Bacteria present in our stomach help in digestion of food. Rotting. Many types of bacteria decompose the dead and decaying matter and plant wastes into useful manure. They recycle the nutrients and they mixes this in the soil. Plants absorb these nutrients during photosynthesis. Harmful microorganisms. Harmful microorganisms are commonly called as germs. Microorganisms can cause many types of diseases. Bacteria. Bacteria causes many types of diseases such as typhoid, tuberculosis, pneumonia, food poisoning, etc. Bacteria also cause sore throat, stomach aches, earaches, ulcers, etc. Protozoa. Protozoa causes diseases such as dysentery, food poisoning, malaria. Fungi. Fungi causes the diseases such as ringworm, athlete's foot. Viruses. Chickenpox, measles, polio, common cold, influenza are caused by viruses. Spreading of germs are of two types: direct contact, indirect contact. Direct contact. Germs can transfer directly from one person to another. If you will touch an infected person or their belongings, the germs can spread easily to others. Indirect contact. Through air, carriers, food and water. Through air. Common cold, fever, viral fever, cough, etc. can spread through air. Carriers. Mosquitoes carries germs that causes diseases like malaria and dengue fever. Food and water. Contaminated food and water can spread typhoid, cholera, jaundice, etc.